Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to create a custom fall art journal using the new release called Pumpkin Spine from Doodlebug. I got 2 sheets of stickers and 2 sheets of dimensional stickers and a 6x6 paper pad. It has very inspiring patterns. They are double-sided, so you get you get 2 sheets of each design. I also got the 2 ephemera sets they released. One is called CHIT. It is full of inspiring quotes and sentiment, all matching colors with the paper pad. And another set called Odds and Ends. It includes animal images, nature images, basically everything you need to create a farm scene. So to create the art journal, I made a template for the cover and a template for the inner pages, and I cut them both with my scan and cut machine. The inner pages are slightly smaller so they can fit inside the cover. I used the barn die set from Honeybee stamps to create the die cuts for the barn scene on the cover page. The silo was not included. I cut it myself. It was simple. It was just half a circle and the silo itself. All from the papers of the paper pad. I'm gluing the barn directly to the background. I raised some die cuts with the fun foam to give different dimension to the scene, like the roof, the door, and the windows. I mixed and matched the die cuts from the Honeybee stamp die cuts and with the stickers images. I inked their edges with distress ink to give extra dimension. So I'll leave you guys to watch the process creating these pages, and I will catch you back to flip through the whole journal to see how it turned out. Okay, you guys, this is the final journal put together. I attached them all together with the twine. Look how thick it is. And look at the cover, very dimensional, full of colors. I added a lot of stickers from the sticker sheets. Beautiful. I love the vivid colors. Let's flip through the internal pages. I added the white gel pen lines here and there to give it more dimension. Beautiful colors, very inspiring images. Here's the left page. I still need to add something here. The cute crows. And on the right and the next one, pages that I did before shooting. This one is a full page. On the right it says pumpkin patch, and on the left it says apple picking. So I decided to make them the middle pages. And here is blessed with the pumpkin pie. I still have a lot of ideas and so many pages, and I can add as many pages as I want. Can take as many. Very inspiring and really nice release. Pumpkin spice. So I had so much fun, guys, creating this with you today. I hope you had fun too and you got inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!